Hello everyone, I hope you are in good health. I am your chemistry teacher and in this video we are going to study about the electron dot diagrams of some covalent compounds. Their orbital structures were discussed in the previous video. Electron dot diagrams, also known as Lewis structures, Lewis dot diagrams or Lewis dot structures, are the diagrams that show the bonding between atoms of a molecule and the lone pair of electrons that may exist in the molecule. These electron dot diagrams are drawn with the help of Lewis symbols of atoms. A Lewis symbol is a symbol in which the electrons present in the valence shell of an atom are represented by dots around the symbol of the element. For example, hydrogen's symbol is H and it has one electron in its valence shell. So Lewis symbol of hydrogen is represented by placing one dot around H. Similarly, lithium has one electron in its valence shell, so its Lewis symbol is represented by placing one dot around the symbol of lithium. And carbon has 4 electrons in its valence shell, so its Lewis symbol is represented by placing 4 dots around the symbol of carbon, that is C. And the symbol of oxygen is O and it has 6 electrons in its valence shell. So to represent the Lewis symbol of oxygen, we place 6 dots around O. Likewise, magnesium has 2 electrons in its valence shell, so 2 dots are placed around Mg. And chlorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell, so 7 dots are placed around Cl. Now coming to the electron dot diagrams, firstly we will discuss the example of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule is formed by chemical combination of two hydrogen atoms. So we will write H dot plus H dot. We have put one dot with the symbol of hydrogen because only one electron is present in the valence shell of hydrogen. Then we know that to complete its duplet, both these hydrogen atoms share one electron each. And as we did in orbital structure, the shared pair of electrons are always shown in the area between the symbols of both the atoms. You may see here that by sharing of electrons, now both hydrogen atoms have completed their duplet. The complete duplet can be shown by encircling the symbols of both atoms along with electrons belonging to them, and the shared pair of electrons are placed in the common area of these circles. And since single pair of electrons is shared between hydrogen atoms, so we can also write it as hydrogen single bond hydrogen. Chlorine molecule is made up of two chlorine atoms. Chlorine has atomic number 17, therefore its electronic configuration is 287. It means it has 7 electrons in its valence shell and one chlorine atom requires one more electron to complete its octet. Hence, one chlorine atom shares one electron with another chlorine atom. Here again, we'll show the shared pair of electrons in the area between the two chlorine atoms. You may clearly see here that after the sharing of electrons, both the chlorine atoms now have 8 electrons in them. Means their octet is completed now. दोनों क्लोरीन एटम्स की कंप्लीट ऑक्टेट को दिखाने के लिए हम उन एटम्स के सिंबल्स को इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के साथ एनसर्कल कर देंगे एंड जो शेयर किए हुए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं वो सर्कल्स के कॉमन एरिया में आने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, here in chlorine 2 electrons are in common area of the two circles because both the chlorine atoms have one shared pair of electrons. And as one pair of electrons is shared between two chlorine atoms, so we can write it as chlorine single bond chlorine. Hydrogen chloride is made up of one hydrogen and one chlorine atom. And hydrogen's electronic configuration is 1. So it means to complete its duplet, it requires one electron. And chlorine's electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. So it also requires one electron to complete its octet. So if they will share 1 electrons with each other, then hydrogen's duplet and chlorine's octet will be completed. Again here we have to show the complete duplet of hydrogen and complete octet of chlorine by encircling the symbols of atom along with the electrons. And the shared pair of electrons should come in the common area of the circles. And since one pair of electron is shared between hydrogen and chlorine, so we can write it as H single bond Cl, means there is single covalent bond in hydrogen chloride molecule. One molecule of water is made up of one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. Oxygen atom has atomic number 8, so its electronic configuration is 2, 6. It means it requires 2 more electrons to complete its octet. And hydrogen atom has atomic number 1, so it means it requires 1 more electron to complete its duplet. So here both the hydrogen atoms will share 1 electron each with the oxygen atom so that their duplet will be completed. Means दोनों hydrogen atoms का duplet complete हो जाएगा and like this oxygen atoms octet will be completed. And circle the atoms along with the electrons. Like this we can see that oxygen's octet is completed and both hydrogens duplet is completed. Both hydrogen atoms have shared 1 electron pair with oxygen atom. So it means there are two single covalent bonds present in water. It can be represented by writing as H single bond O single bond H. The formula of ammonia is NH3, means it consists of 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms. Now nitrogen's atomic number is 7. It means its electronic configuration is 2, 5. So it requires 3 more electrons to complete its octet. So nitrogen shares 3 electron pairs, one with each of the 3 atoms of hydrogen. And by doing so, nitrogen's octet will be completed and 3 hydrogens duplet will be completed. The complete octet of nitrogen and the complete duplet of 3 hydrogen atoms can be shown by encircling the symbols of the atoms along with the electrons. And here in ammonia, 3 hydrogen atoms have shared 1 electron pair each with 1 nitrogen atom. So we can say that in ammonia, 3 single bonds are present. The formula of methane is CH4. Therefore, it consists of 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms. Carbon has atomic number 6, so its electronic configuration is 2, 4, means it has 4 electrons in its valence shell. So we write the Lewis symbol of carbon by writing C and placing 4 dots around C. And hydrogen's atomic number is 1, so we will write its Lewis symbol by writing H along with 1 dot. Now see here that carbon requires 4 more electrons to complete its octet and 4 hydrogens require 1 more electron each to complete their duplet. So during the formation of methane molecule, one atom of carbon shares 4 electron pairs, one with each of the 4 atoms of hydrogen. Like this, every hydrogen atom's duplet will be completed and carbon's octet will be completed, which can be shown by encircling the electrons along with the symbol of the atom. And as carbon has shared one electron pair with each hydrogen atom, so it means carbon has formed 4 single bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms. So it can also be represented as shown here. Carbon tetrachloride is made up of 1 carbon and 4 chlorine atoms. Each chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its outermost shell, so it requires 1 more electron to complete its octet. Also, carbon has 4 electrons in its valence shell, so it requires 4 more electrons to complete its octet. So one carbon atom shares 4 electron pairs, one with each of the 4 chlorine atoms. Like this, every chlorine atom's octet will be completed and carbon's octet will also be completed. And as carbon has shared one electron pair with each of the chlorine atom, so there is the formation of single bond between carbon and each chlorine atom. Like this, there are 4 single bonds in carbon tetrachloride molecule. The formula of oxygen is O2, means one molecule is made up of 2 oxygen atoms. The atomic number of oxygen is 8, so its electronic configuration is 2 6. As valence shell of oxygen contains 6 electrons, so it requires 2 more electrons to complete its octet. Hence, it shares 2 electrons with another oxygen atom. As each oxygen atom shares 2 electrons, means total 4 electrons are shared between 2 atoms. Therefore, we will put 4 dots in the area between 2 oxygen atoms. The pair of electrons which are not placed between any 2 atoms are the lone pairs. So there are 4 lone pairs and 2 shared pairs in one oxygen molecule. And as 2 electron pairs are shared between 2 oxygen atoms, therefore there is double covalent bond present between 2 oxygen atoms. So, oxygen molecule is also represented by putting 2 short lines between 2 oxygen atoms. Carbon dioxide molecule consists of 1 carbon and 2 oxygen atoms. Atomic number of carbon is 6, so its electronic configuration is 2 4, which means it requires 4 more electrons to complete its octet. And the atomic number of oxygen is 8, so its electronic configuration is 2 6, therefore it needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet. Hence, in the formation of carbon dioxide, each of the 2 oxygen atoms share 2 electrons with carbon, and carbon also shares 2 electrons with each oxygen atom. Like this, the octet of carbon and 2 oxygen atoms get completed. Between carbon and each oxygen atom, there are 2 electron pairs, which results in the formation of 2 double covalent bonds. So carbon dioxide can also be represented as O double bond C double bond O. The formula of nitrogen molecule is N2, means 2 nitrogen atoms combine to form one nitrogen molecule. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7, so its electronic configuration is 2 5, which means that each nitrogen atom requires 3 more electrons to complete its octet. And as 5 electrons are present in the valence shell of a nitrogen atom, so Lewis symbol of nitrogen will be represented by placing 5 dots around the symbol of nitrogen. Both nitrogen atoms share 3 electrons each with one another to complete their octet. So we will put 6 dots in between both nitrogen atoms symbols. And as nitrogen molecule is formed by sharing of 3 electron pairs between 2 atoms in which each atom contributes 3 electrons, therefore it is also represented by putting 3 short lines between 2 atoms depicting the formation of triple covalent bond.